In this video, I will show you how to schedule pins on Pinterest. First, open Pinterest and go to your home screen. At the top left corner, click Create and select Create Pin to open the Pin Composer. Before creating your pin, have your image or video ready along with the title description and destination link. Upload your image or video by dragging it into the composer or selecting it from your computer. Next, enter a clear and searchable title for your pin, then add in a concise description. Once that is done, look for the publishing option and select Publish at a later date. This opens Pinterest scheduling options. Choose the date and time when you want your pin to be published. Available time slots may vary. Scheduling generally follows your account's time zone, so choose a time that works well for your audience. Next, select the most relevant board for your pin. Review your media, title, description, schedule, and board selection. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Your pin will be scheduled to go live at the date and time you have selected instead of being published immediately. That's all with this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.